Hey everyone, we are at the warehouse and we were told that they would have some Dragstrip Demons in stock today. So hopefully we can find it. Today we're with the Kraken.
Hello everyone.
Subscribe to his channel, there's going to be a link in the description and at the end of the video. Enough talking, let's go hunting.
Oh wow, that's been refreshed.
Nah.
Oh, Camaro.
Where?
This used not to be there, neither did that. There's a fresh case.
I don't even... Oh!
Right there!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, get that out, Belly.
Phew. Oh my gosh, guys, alright. Here's Dragstrip Demons.
Cyclone, try me.
Oh my goodness.
There's another belly back there.
Holy moly, I gotta get 2 sets. There's the Try Me. Oh,
I'm
wow.
gonna try me.
They're pretty sick.
Can you pass the red number?
3. Where's 4? The toothpaste one.
It's American.
It's American, I know. It looks like Colgate toothpaste or something. But there's the set. And
is this more than a box? Oh, that's Supernova.
This is one box.
That Supernova is one of my
This
favorites.
is one box.
So try me American Cyclone.
One whole box.
This is a set.
That's a set. That's a full set. 5, 2, 3.
So this is one box.
4,
Or
1.
have they put both boxes out?
This is one box. Phil and his friend got the other, I think. Shout out to Phil, my friend. If he's watching this, he found these yesterday, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to finish my 2018 car culture because they only said they got 2 boxes, but looks like they got more actually. So here we have the set. We'll see if they've got any more because I really want a second set. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, these are beautiful cars, eh? Well, that's wide stance. Sweet AFX cars right there. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I've got the Try Me as well. Oh, I don't know what my favourite is. People say they hate this one, but it's an AFX car, and to me, that is the coolest stance I've ever seen.
No, I really don't like too much too soon.
Well, that's
too
cool.
far
You're still
forwards.
getting a full set, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Look how thick the front wheels are.
Do they all have tyre lettering? People don't like the wheels on this, but I love it.
None of them have tire. Oh!
I love them. They are one of my jams, if you can have multiple jams. Yeah, I love them so much. So yeah, we'll see if we can get any more and I'll get back to you guys later. Here are the cars in order. So there's the Try Me, Bel Air. There is the 63 Chevy Nova.
Beautiful, beautiful.
There's the 65 Dodge Corona. I'm pretty sure this is the only non-GM car that's in here.
Yeah, Dodge the Chrysler Group.
Yeah, since they have such a good relationship with Hot Wheels. And 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. This is probably one of my favourites. This looks cool. I love the colours as well. And then 5 out of 5, the 66 Supernova. Great deco on these. Love it. Some people don't like the wide stance, but as I say, I love each one. So guys, there were just the 2 sets, one for me, one for the Kraken, and if I just come back around here, really no one steals my cars. I was walking back towards the peg, and you know what I saw? Dragstrip Demons, boys. Sealed case. That's 4 sets. I'm going to be buying 2 sets. Oh yeah, so Tim the Kraken, he's just gone to get someone so we can get it down. Oh yes, yes. Oh yeah, 2 sets, and I'll be able to buy 2 extra cars of my favourites as well. Because I really want to have... I've bought double ups of each of my favourite set, which is Japan's Torx 2 from this year and Dragstrip Demons. So I'm going to probably crack one of these open, but yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah. Thanks. Oh, awesome. It is Dragstrip Demons. And here we have FPY86, FPY86, 956F, the last car culture mix of 2018. Can't believe this year's gone that fast.
But then we open it and it's a miscoated cargo carriers.
That would be nice. We've got to, we'll do it up here, no, down here. Just open this for you guys. Alright, here we go, Dragstrip Demons. I already know what's in the box and so do you all, but there we have 2 of each beautiful car in the set. I'm going to be buying the whole box, and my phone just went off, so beautiful cars there. Oh gosh. So this is my box, bringing the whole thing home, and Tim the Kraken's going to be buying a set as well, and we're going to be leaving these ones behind. So thank you everyone very much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.